Hey guys, so today I decided that I was going to show you a new hotel that opened up behind my boardroom. This is where I do all my podcasts. And actually, if you want to know about the attire, I'm doing for yoga. So today I just thought of taking you all to Cinema Life. It's just opened up. Unfortunately, it's only the hotel now, but for 4.5 years I've been watching the construction of this beautiful integrated resort. Today we are going to go check it out. Oh wow, bro, look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful, no? This is beautiful. Look. This is a proper like integrated resort because there's room for casino here. I can see from the lifts. The second floor will be the arrival floor for the casino lobby. And then 7 is casino. Then you have the mall, Sky Pavilion, that's where we were. So now this 23rd floor is where you will have all these wine bars, steak bars, all these little things. And the 24th. So now let's go back to the lobby and then go back to office. So now we are going to level 2. Level 2 is that other entrance. So we'll be exiting from the other side. So we just came from this side because it's next to my office. The rooms and suites are from 10 to 21. Pool is on the 9th, wellness is on the 9th. Obviously they've got pool bars because that's the part that jots out. That's why Cinema Life is like, designed in a very funny way because it's got a lot of things on each level.